How to turn on unknown call silencing on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If random or spam calls keep interrupting you, Android has a built-in feature to silence unknown callers, and here's how you can turn it on quickly. This will completely vary depending on the device you have, but all you have to do is first go to your phone settings. For that, go to phone dialer, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. From all of these pop-ups, you can go to settings, and then on your settings menu, you'll find something called block numbers. Tap on that, and you can also find an option spam call or screens depending on the brand of device you have. And then you'll see something called block calls from unknown number. Just toggle this on. What it does is it's going to completely silence or block incoming calls from other people other than your contacts. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.